Farm animals. Farm animals. Cat. Cat. Dog. Dog. Horse. Horse. Cow. Cow. Bull. Bull. Donkey. Donkey. Camel. Camel. Pig. Pig. Hen. Hen. Rooster. Rooster. Chick. Chick. Duck. Duck. Goose. Goose. Sheep. Sheep. Turkey. Turkey. Goat. Goat. Mouse. Mouse. Rabbit. Rabbit. Guinea pig. Guinea pig. Hamster. Hamster. Stock. Stock. Bird. Bird. Parrot. Parrot. Eagle. Eagle. Chameleon. Chameleon. Tortoise. Tortoise. Farm animals conversation. Farm animals conversation. What is this? It is a donkey. It is a donkey. What is this? It is an eagle. It is an eagle. What is this? It is a pig. It is a pig. What is this? It is a cat. It is a cat. What is this? It is a dog. It is a dog. What is this? It is a camel. It is a camel. What is this? It is a sheep. It is a sheep. What is this? It is a goat. It is a goat. What is this? It is a hen. It is a hen. What is this? It is a stock. It is a stock. What is this? It is a rooster. It is a rooster. What is this? It is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. What is this? It is a mouse. It is a mouse. What is this? It is a duck. It is a duck. What is this? It is a goose. It is a goose. What is this? It is a turkey. It is a turkey. What is this? It is a chick. It is a chick. What is this? It is a cow. It is a cow. What is this? It is a guinea pig. It is a guinea pig. What is this? It is a bird. It is a bird. What is this? It is a parrot. It is a parrot. What is this? It is a chameleon. It is a chameleon. What is this? It is a tortoise. It is a tortoise. What is this? It is a bull. It is a bull.